Okay, now you decided to change your life. You want to get rid of some weight. What workout or what form of exercise should you go to? Well, hello guys. Welcome to the thebigfatFIT, India's only physical and mental transformation channel. If you want to know anything about weight loss, transforming yourself physically, mentally and spiritually, well then you are on the right track. This channel is there to help you. Well, in today's world, there are a lot of exercises and forms of exercise that can help you achieve your weight loss goal. Again, I want to make one thing clear. For weight loss, you have to maintain a calorie deficit, which means you either burn more than you eat or you eat less than you burn. But creating a deficit involves burning, and burning can happen through any form of exercise. We have exercises like Zumba, aerobics, yoga, power yoga, gymming, conditioning, HRX, all of that. So I ask of you, before choosing the right form of workout, to ask yourself 3 questions. Now, these questions are very important and it will actually tell you if you are going to be successful in this weight loss journey or not. Question number 1. Do you see yourself doing this 2 or 3 years down the line? If the answer is yes, then probably you will be succeeding at your weight loss goal. If the answer is no, then you have to look at different options of exercise. Question number 2. Do you actually enjoy this type of exercise? Does it give you happiness? The key to revealing the answer is, see if after the workout or after this form of exercise, just ask yourself if you really felt happy. If you didn't, then you cannot sustain this long enough and you're just here for the short term, which is never good for long-term sustainable weight loss. Question number 3, you have to ask yourself this: are there other success stories of weight loss or transformations or better life after people doing this form of exercise? If yes, if you find evidence that people have succeeded in this form of exercise and they've changed their lives, then yes, you should choose this form of exercise. If that is not the case, then switch. Choose an exercise that actually pays results and not just promises. So please ask yourself these 3 questions. Make sure that you're on the right track and you don't just lose the weight for the sake of it and then regain it all back for no reason whatsoever. Now, having said that, let us quickly move on to different forms of exercise, great types of workouts. Do they actually help you or not? The pros and cons. Let's go. Talking about Zumba and aerobics. Yes, I know there is a slight difference between the two, but I'm going to categorize this as one because both are aerobic activity which involve music and dance movements which people like. So, pros of aerobics and Zumba: 1, you will actually enjoy it. You're dancing, you're jumping, you're in the moment. There is a lot of fun. 2, the second pro would be it is very easy. People need not struggle a lot and there is not much of a learning curve. You can easily get into the business of things. Now, cons. Cons for Zumba and aerobics would be that it very rarely is a strenuous activity, so the calorie burn rate is not too high. And second, there is less involvement of the muscles. I mean, muscular activity, which is key to having a good overall body physique post your weight loss. That is pretty much less in Zumba and aerobics. Yes, you have great cardiovascular activity, but when it comes to muscular movements, it kind of falls back. So those were the pros and cons. Decide whether you want to take up Zumba or aerobics or not. Now, the next form of exercise would be yoga. Yoga is great for spiritual, mental and physical growth and has a lot of benefits and especially it being Indian, we all have some sort of a soft corner for yoga. So coming to weight loss, how much does yoga really help? The pros of yoga for weight loss would be: 1. Flexibility is vastly improved. 2. Your knowledge about the internal body organs and the muscles outside will be greatly developed, because there is a lot of research behind yoga, and I for sure can easily tell you that it is one of the best forms of overall body exercise. Yoga is an overall mixture of cardiovascular and muscular movements, so you don't have any complaints with regards to having a very stressful workout. Cons when it comes to yoga for weight loss would be that you need to learn and practice a lot of movements. Flexibility is a key aspect in this, and if you are a very huge guy, or if you're new to weight loss, or if you want to get quick results, then I suggest yoga shouldn't be your option. The second con would be that you will not always have a strenuous, sweat, gut-wrenching workout, which is key to maximize your calorie burn rate during your weight loss journey. On to MMA or mixed martial arts. When it comes to mixed martial arts, it is pretty simple to explain. It is a combination of multiple forms of martial arts coming from different places in the world, and when you participate in MMA, you get a full-on workout, be it physical, cardiovascular, or even mental workout. Some are actually a testament to this. MMA for weight loss. Pros: great cardiovascular movement. You will be doing a lot of aerobic activity. Second, very good for muscular movements as well. You can actually develop a good quality muscle amount in your body, and you can actually see some sort of definition coming from these MMA training routines. A lot of these MMA athletes are a testament to it. Cons of MMA for weight loss would be that it is highly technique oriented. You will have to learn a lot, participate a lot, understand a lot, so there is a lot more that you have to give to take a lot more out of MMA. So it's going to be tough to learn, understand, master certain moves for sure. Second, is this sustainable long term? A lot of people tell me that MMA is good for people who want to take it up seriously. Again, that is just my opinion. I have to say that for weight loss only, MMA is good to go, but look at sustainability, not just MMA for 2 or 3 months. Now, the good old gym. When I mean gym, I mean cardio and weights. Well, this requires no explanation. The pros of hitting the gym. 1. You will have easy access to machines and weights. It's very easy to learn, and you will not have to work yourself to learn things new. The second pro would be that this is the most proven way to lose weight. You've seen the biggest of transformations, 90% of them come from a gym habit. The next pro would be the fact that it is a mix of cardiovascular and muscular activity. So if you want a full, well-rounded transformation, well then gym is the way to go. The cons. Well, the biggest con of the gym would be that it becomes very boring for a lot of people. It gets boring for even professionals, to be honest. So long-term sustainability, key to understand. The second con would be that gym is not always there at your house, right? So you will have to get a gym membership, and most of these gym memberships would be costly for some. So always money is something that has to be invested when you take up a gym membership. Now, having mentioned all of those forms of workouts, what do I believe is the best to lose weight? I believe going to the gym, having a mixture of cardiovascular or cardio workouts and weight training is the best way to lose weight and keep it off for a long time. Why do I believe going to the gym is the best way? Well, first, it is a sustainable, clear mixture of your cardio and strength training, which maximizes overall calorie burn rate, which is the most important thing when it comes to weight loss. 2. Easy to learn, very simple. Half the world knows how to do it. There's not much that you need to pay attention to. You just need to be focused. And 3. Most importantly, most of the weight loss journeys, successful weight loss journeys, happen through a mixture of cardio and weights, which is gym. So have a look at many weight loss journeys. At least 80 to 90% of them will be a gym story. So guys, I mentioned all the forms of workouts or exercises that you might be considering before taking up that weight loss journey. But please make sure you take the right decision, and all the best for your weight loss journey. Crack it. Please, please, please succeed, and let's get from being big to fat and now to fit. See you guys.